In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google form directly from Google Sheets. This process is incredibly useful for gathering information efficiently, whether you're organizing an event, conducting a survey, or simply collecting data for a project. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to get this set up effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Sheets document where you'd like to set up the form. Once there, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on Tools, and then select the option that says Create a New Form. This action immediately starts the process of setting up your Google form. As soon as you click it, you'll be seamlessly directed to the form editor. Now, this is your canvas to create and edit your form to suit your specific needs. Here, you can add questions, choose the type of responses you want, and include any additional fields that might be necessary, like text boxes for names, radio buttons for multiple choice questions, or even drop-down lists for selecting one option from many. You'll find a wide variety of customization options to ensure your form gathers the right data in the most efficient way possible. Once you've customized your form to your liking, perhaps you've added questions, applied themes for brand consistency, or even shuffled the question order to minimize bias, you're ready to go. But before we wrap up, there's a great link between Google Forms and Sheets that makes data collection even more seamless. After you've finished designing your form and are satisfied with how it looks, you can return to your Google Sheets document. You'll notice that a new sheet will have automatically been added to your spreadsheet. This new sheet is where all the responses from your form will be recorded. It's a very nifty feature because it allows you to keep all your data organized in one place, making it easy to analyze or share with colleagues. You can use all sorts of Google Sheets functionalities to sort, filter, and visualize your data right here. And that's all there is to it. By creating your Google form via Google Sheets, you're not only making data collection a breeze, but also streamlining the analysis process by having everything you need in one convenient location. Whether you're surveying, conducting research, or gathering registration information, this efficient method simplifies your workflow immensely. So next time you're starting a new project or event, remember this handy integration. Thanks for watching, and happy data gathering.